Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 14th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and the 4-star Sudoku. Yeah, you are interested in the 4-star Sudoku number 7447. 7447. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle. Let me give this a little bit more light. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. To solve that puzzle. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s, 3 4s, 3 5s, 2 6s, 3 7s, 2 8s, and 4 9s. All right, so the 9s are in majority. Can I start with the 9? Yes. We have a 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next to that column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay. And now I cannot continue with the 9. Need to wait. How about the 4? In this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. 5 5. How about the number? The 2 in this column, the 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 2 2. 1 1 1. Need a 7 here. 5. Need a 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have 4 and a 5 in the third column, so no 4 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 4. Need a 4 here. Yeah. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is the 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in this box. Here 4 in this row, no 4 in that box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. And we have a pair. Again, we have a 4 and 8 in the last column. 4 in one of those 2 boxes and 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4, okay. Now. Let me see. How about 7? We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Need a 7 here. 7. Okay, 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. 5. Alright. 1 and 2 are missing. Okay. We have a 9 in the last row. 9 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The 1, the 6, and the 7. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6. Yeah. Need a 3 here. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Okay, and now 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. The 9 in this row, third row, 9 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the second column, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 is should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Okay. Do we have all the 4s? No. Still need a 4 here. Okay. 3, 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. And the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in the last column. 1 in that column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for the 1. Goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 in this column, the 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 in the row above, no 4 there, so the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Okay, this is a 9, the 4, and we need here the 2, 2, 2, 3, need a 3 here, 2, 3, need a 6 here. Wow. 7, 5, 2, 2, 6. Okay. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 3, 8, and need a 1 here. 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here, 1 in the first column, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. And we have a pair, I believe, the 1 and the 7 in this column, first column, the 1 and the 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One box left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 and 7, we have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5. And the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Well. 1 and 8. Let me drink something. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6 cannot fill this yet. So 1 digit left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing here. 1 and 8, we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1, 1, 1, 1, okay. Need a 7 there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes. Only with the 7, we have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. The 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we see a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. We have all the 3s, and all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. 1 box left in the second column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. Yeah. 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 goes there. 8 in the first row. 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for the number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Here 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 and the 5, 2 and the 6. How about, need a 6 here. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 this one, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Here also 2 and a 5, 2 and a 6, 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 here, so this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this big square for number, I believe the 6, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, don't think it's a 4 stars. Don't think it's a 3 stars. Don't think it's a 2 stars. Let me give this a 1-star puzzle, yes. Faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.